which offers on Tuesday 8 p.m. Hurry! The EasyJet sale is now on, with up to 20% off 400,000 seats. Book yours today. Why not? Sensitivities can be reversed. You have a sensitivity because you've lost the protective layer on the top of the seat, which is exposing micro holes in the sensitive part of the seat.